Right, ladies, now I'm going to show you how to do the birdhouse. Excuse me. Now, I don't have a die for the birdhouse, so it's all going to be done freehand. And I'm just going to cut the bits together. Get my pencil. Okay. All I use is a central point. And then I'm going to do my house. Just curve it slightly. Like that. Yeah. That's all I'm doing. That's more or less even. Bringing it down. Bringing it, you know, take it in. Yeah, that'll do. Take my big scissors. And I'm going to slightly curve it. That's about right. And I'll do the same there. Oh, that's about right, I think. Slightly curve down a bit more, I think. You can just do it by eye. Well, I do a lot of things by eye, as you know. And just see. That's better. There. And then all you need then is the top bit. So I mean, I'm using all scrap card. And you can get it right by going a good centimetre above that. Good centimetre above, down there. Take it up there. And then it's all done by eye. Yeah. And then all I'm going to do is bring that down a little bit like that. Where are we? Edge to edge. Do the point to point there. Point to point. And then just... So this is if you haven't got the die like me. Okay? And what I'm going to do with that... Where's my other scissors? Let's trim that out. Don't forget, it doesn't have to be perfect at all. Now I put the gel medium on the other one, which I'm not going to do with this one. I'm just going to paint this one, just to show you how to do it. So it might run into 2 videos, and I'm just doing this really, really quick, really quick. Oh, I don't know that I'm coming down with a cold. So let's just shift that one out of the way. Shift them bits out. Don't waste them because they always come in handy for something else. Pop that onto there and that fits perfect. Like that, see? Oops, I've got that wrong way around. I had it right way around to show you, didn't I? Look, no I didn't. Like that. And then take that piece again, and what you're going to need then is a straight piece across the bottom. So it's just a matter of cutting your card straight. Not like me, wonk it at the end. Okay, like I say, don't waste any bits. Now I'm only going to measure that because I don't want that, all of it, obviously. Again, by eye, chop that bit off. And then I've got a disc that I cut out the first one. Pop that there. Draw around it. Sorry, ladies, you're not seeing this at all. Sorry. Just put the disc from the one I had before. to draw around it. Remove my mat. Take my knife. I know my board's rubbish, look at it. And then I'm just going to chop that around. Really carefully. I am using 1 metre, my word, 1 millimetre chipboard. Oops. Oh, oops. I sliced my finger off then. Oh. Not quite through. Slice it round. It's where you could do with one of those circle thingy bobs I've seen some people using. You put it on and whiz it round and it cuts a circle out. Oh, mind you, I don't know if it does chipboard though. Somebody will have to tell me if it does. I don't want it neat anyway, but I don't want it too tatty. There we go, done. I like the way it's edged. I like the way it's rough. Look at that. That saves me distressing, that, doesn't it? Keep hold of your discs, because you never know when they come in handy. Right. Put my scissors away. To keep putting stuff away, because I've got that much. That's all the room I work on. Right, what I'm going to do then, get my craft mat. I haven't cleaned it from before, which I should have done, really. And with this one, I think we'll do the, which is this one? The burnt sienna. We'll do the burnt sienna, I think. Get my wide brush. Just give it a really good, what time are we on? 7:02, right. I'll do as much as I can in this video and I'll come back. So I do want to finish this and show you. So don't forget, it's all done by hand. I don't have the die and it's not hard to do. Clean all your mat up after, that's nothing. My light's terrible as well. Oh dear. I'm having a right old whinge today, aren't I? I don't care. Got to have a whinge now and again, does you good. Right. So that's that one. And then I think for the top, I'm just going to use the paler one. So for now, where am I going to stand it? Oh, stand there. Just stand there and out of the way. This one I'm going to use the top, which is to do the roof. Let me just clear that off. A little bit of water on my cloth. Easy. Look at that. Mind you, I think I need a new cloth. There we go. Roof and bottom. So just get another paintbrush. A bit thin, that one. I'll just use the one I've just had. Where's my cloth? There we go. Oh, just, this is what I mean. Just, I can't stand having no room to work. It's really, really doing my head in. And every time I move, you know, turn around, I'm knocking something over. And it's not that I've got a load of stuff. I've not. Everything is just crammed into a tiny, weeny little corner. And it's just so bloody frustrating.